Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you delete duplicate photos on your Android mobile phone. So yes, I'm using an Android mobile phone right now. If you have iPhone, then in iPhone there is a separate feature to delete duplicate photos. You will find that duplicate photos feature in your Apple iPhone photos option. But if you have Android mobile phone, how can you delete duplicate photos, or how can you find all the duplicate photos present in your mobile phone? So for this, you just need to go on the Google Play Store option here on your phone. Let me just find it, and you have to search for the application called duplicate photo remover, and then you can just install the first application. You can see with 4.2 ratings here. You just have to download it, and then you can clear all the photos from your mobile. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.